Are you looking forward to use Uber for the first time in US? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily use Uber for the first time in US. First thing first, head over to your application Uber. Once you're in this page, select your country code and then enter the mobile number that you have it. Once you've entered, click on continue. You will receive one verification code on your number. Copy that code and enter it in this section. Once you've entered, click on Not Now or Create Passkey. You will be logged in into your Uber account. Once you're in the home page of your Uber, here you can either choose car or a bike. You can choose any one that you want to. Let me choose bike for now. Now you have to enter the pickup location for the driver and also the destination location. Once you've selected, it will show you all the Uber drivers. From here, choose the Uber that will be affordable for you. Once you have selected any of the Uber, click on Choose Uber X at the bottom of the screen. Once the location is confirmed, click on Confirm Pickup at the bottom of the screen. It will start to find the Uber for you. And if you haven't added any of the payment method, then click on Change Payment Method at the bottom of the screen. Click on OK. From here, you can choose any of the payment method that you want to. Once you have selected, the Uber driver will be available to you. They will call you or text you when they reach the location. After that, take the service and pay the amount. So this is simply how you can use Uber for the first time in US. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.